So I truly hope that you didn't get tired of mid-century Junghans clocks, because I have yet another one to show you. This is a 1959 mid-century modern Mantel clock which appeared on the front cover of the Junghans catalog from that same year. It uses the Junghans Werk 278/201, runs for 8 days on a full winding, and it strikes on the hour and half hour on 5 rods with Bim-Bam. Now that is a beautiful sound. So this clock has just arrived yesterday and I didn't manage to do anything to it. And I don't think I even need to, because this thing is almost untouched. So the case of this clock is in very good condition. It still has that glossy finish on it, but sadly the veneer has cracked in some of the places. You might be able to see it has some small cracks on the sides. And on the dial there are some big cracks in the glossy coating which has been applied to it. And also, you might be able to see that the minute ring of this clock doesn't have any scratches on it, which is something that makes me very happy, because usually the minute rings of these clocks are all scratched up because the minute hand is rather pointy. Also, something which makes this clock really stand out is the fact that it has a pair of brass feet on either ends of the case. I don't know about you, but I think this is a pretty cool design. Here's the back side of the clock. And aside from the typical Junghans door and latch, you might be able to notice this small silencer in there, which works the same way as in a loudspeaker wall clock. And if I open this, there we have the Junghans W278/201 with its loud ticking. This movement is in very good condition. I mean, it doesn't seem to have any severe wear on any of the pivot holes, and overall it runs great. It has a very good amplitude on the balance wheel, as you might see. So probably the only thing that I need to do to it is cleaning off some of that dried oil from the pivot holes, which I can leave for later. Down there in the bottom of the case are the 5 hammers and the 5-rod gong block, which produce the beautiful sound of this clock. So now I'm going to activate it once again using the silencer. It's cool to see the hammers vibrating like that. I won't take the movement out of this clock because there's no need to, but instead I'll let you have a look at a picture with the front of this, which is found in the 1959 catalog, and I might also do a short video when I feel like taking this out. I don't really have a place to put this at the moment, so I guess this clock will stay in here for a while. And by the way, this is the key that the clock came with. So yeah, I guess that's it for today. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Goodbye.